it. I want to teach you one more thing before we end this video, and that's how to change your background. It's actually pretty easy. Just go ahead and tap with 2 fingers. You're gonna see this. Change wallpaper. Do it from there. That's a quick way. Another way, from your system settings, just type in wallpaper, change wallpaper, and then from here you guys are gonna see a bunch of options. So we can go and type this one in. We can try this one out. They're gonna change as you click on them, and then you can select whichever one you want. So right now we're just gonna leave it there for now. And I want to highlight that you can download any other ones as well, and you can add in your own photos too. So right here you have that option to add photo, but you don't really need to do that from here. If you have your own picture, you can also right click on it, and it's going to give you the option to make it your wallpaper. So it's going to be that easy to change wallpaper right here on Mac. And that would be actually it for this tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.